Okay, let's open WeChat first. And then we search mini programs. Then we search lock opener. Okay, open the updates. Okay, you can see there is add a locks. Okay, you can give her any name as you want. Let's do it orbita, orbita. Okay, and for the password need to be same as your lock. Okay, let's see this lock. The password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Come true. Okay, so our apps need to be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, complete. Okay, now you can see you add this lock on the apps. And then add a new. We have 4 different types to send the remote access code. The first one is the code for only 1 time. And the second one, you can choose the types as you want. You can choose only for 1 time, 2 time, or 3 time, anyway, as you want. And the third type is choose the time. Start from, for example, from 9 and end time at 9 o'clock. Anyway, as you want. And the last type is choose the date. Okay, let's try the 4 different types. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, you can see a code. For this code, let's open the door. 096 374 264. It's open. Okay.